Good morning, boys. It's your Nonna. Hi, Ransom. Hi, Knox. Hello, Micah and Jonah. Morning, Truett and River. Nana wanted to read this book to you. I thought you would enjoy this book. You'll be reading this before bedtime, probably, because it says good night, construction site. Yes. And this book, the author of this book is Sherry Dusky Rinker. And Sherry Rinker, because she's the author, she writes the words. And then the illustrator is Tom Lickenheld, and he draws the pictures. So good night, construction site. Good night, construction site. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. Look at all of those construction vehicles. A dump truck, an excavator, a cement truck. Look at all of those. The sun has set, the work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one they all go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. Working hard to help his team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark, then off to bed. It's almost dark. There you go, there's the crane. He's gonna go to bed. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight. Then cuddles up and says goodnight. Shh. Good night, crane truck. Good night. Oh, did you see it? He's going to sleep. Spinning, churning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours the load. He's ready now to leave the road. There's the dump truck. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute and turns off the light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, and dreams sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh. Good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He carries loads, but both big and small. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it in with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. Time for bed for the dump truck. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels. It's getting late. He dims his lights, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. Pushing with his mighty blade, bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunderous sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. Look at the bulldozer is sleepy. He puffs some smoke out of his stack, turns off his engine, stops his track. He curls his soft, dirty bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, bulldozer. Good night. Scooping gravel, dirt, and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arr. But now it's time to end his play. A few more holes to dig, and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. There's the excavator. Ready for bed. He twirls upon his bumpy tracks, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks so tough and loud. They work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, relax your wheels, your stacks and backs. No more huffing and puffing, team. It's time to rest your heads and dream. Oh, look at them all sleeping so soundly. Construction site all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh. Good night. The end. You hear my silly kitty? She just keeps crying. Oh, silly kitty. I hope you boys have a beautiful day. Remember Truett and River, Micah and Jonah, and Knox and Ransom. Nonna loves you so much. Mwah. Have a great day and good sleeps tonight. Bye.